Three Constitutional Court judges who were recently suspended by President Hakainde Hichilema have continued to appear before the Judicial Complaints Commission (JCC). This follows the decision of the High Court throwing out the application in which they were challenging their suspension at the Lusaka High Court. The court in the ruling said they had no jurisdiction to hear the judge's judicial review application. The complainant in the matter, Moses Kalonde, has explained the grounds of his complaints before the JCC.
My complaints were sustained based on the ground that these are fresh grounds, one of them being gross misconduct. Okay? Secondly, they are EU, according to my complaint, they are EU qualified. The Act is very clear, stipulates that for one to be a constitutional judge, one must have special education in human rights, besides other qualifications. The other one is that one must have special education in constitutional law, which I believe the affected judges do not have. And this is the information that is actually missing out there. It is not in public domain. The people who are opposed to this, including the PF itself, they have been peddling a narrative and a lie to say that the grounds and the matters that were brought here, these are matters that have been presented to court before. And I wish to state clearly that these are fresh grounds, new grounds, and this is why they were sustained.
The Judicial Complaints Commission is yet to conclude hearing the matter. In 2016, the three suspended judges dismissed President Hakainde Hichilema's petition challenging the election of President Edgar Lungu in the 2016 pause. Mr. Hichilema had challenged the declaration of Mr. Lungu as president, saying his election was marred with fraud. However, Mr. Hichilema's evidence in relation to the petition was never heard, as the Constitutional Court ruled that he failed to use the available time to argue his case. The court ruled that the Zambian constitution provides a time frame of 14 days in which to hear a presidential petition. And before their suspension, the three judges were part of the bench hearing a petition challenging the eligibility of the former president to contest the 2021 and a future election, filed by a youth activist, Mijology Zombe. Daras Chonya, Damo News.